Hello and welcome to one more live. So today I'm just gonna show you the process in the board that I'm currently building. So that's what I just want to share in this live. So quickly, I'll show you so far what all things that it's saving except for the last published post. So previously we had some errors running the bot, but now you will be seeing so let me just tell the bot how many profiles it has to save. Okay, I'm just giving it as 5 profiles to save. So let's see. So I'm just gonna share my entire screen with you so that, okay, so I'm just sharing. Okay, so this is the bot. So it has opened the account. So I'm not doing anything. So it's the bot. So let's see. And again, in the website field, if there is any website that's been, if there is any website on the profile, on the Facebook profile, then it saves that website. If there is no, yeah. So if there is no link in the website, then it doesn't save any website links. So it has opened the second profile as well. Okay. So it's the second profile that it has opened. So it actually does not show you the cursor moving, but it actually does move, but that's not visible for you. It does in the backend. So that's how the algorithm works. So the main benefit of using this tool is that it actually imitates the human behavior, like, in the backend where you won't be able to see the cursor moving. Right now, I'm just going to move the cursor. So it automatically highlights this, it saves this. And it highlights this section, it saves it, it highlights the link, it saves it. So when the cursor highlights a particular region that it gonna be saving in a data sheet or a Google sheet, then algorithm does not detect that it's a bot. That's the main advantage of using this particular tool that I'm building. So I guess this is the third or fourth profile. I'm not sure. So yeah, that's the benefit of this tool. Unlike other tools where it doesn't highlight each and every selector that it has to save. So and also it doesn't take this much of time when you're using other tools. So that's the specialty of this tool, because I have given timelines because I wanted to imitate the exact human behavior, because any human wouldn't be possibly opening these many profiles within just yeah, it takes at least 5 to 10 seconds at least to open an account and then save the each elements that I've given it. So it exactly follows what I have given it. So yeah, it's done. Okay, so let me share my another screen. I'll show the data that it has saved. Okay, just a second. Yeah. Okay, so you can see that from the 22nd row, it has been opening. So this, if you don't see, so this was the first profile that it has opened. Okay, so this was the first profile. And from here, I gave it to open 5 accounts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it did open 5 accounts. And it didn't save this particular intro because it doesn't have any intro on that profile. So that's the reason. And the last date of last published post, it right now it saves randomly uh, you know, the profile link itself, but that's not the right thing. So yeah, I just have to figure this out. So yeah, once that's sorted, then it can be it will be able to save the last published post. Other than pinned post, I'm just trying to save the other posts that any profile would have, because pinned post is not the thing that we are looking at. But we want to save the first, I mean, whatever the last published post might be within 1 hour, or it could be yesterday, it could be 5 days before, it could be 11 days before, so something like that. Instead of pinned post, I'm just trying to save the post in the other post section, so that one thing is still pending. So, and then it has saved only just one profile here, and it has left blank. It left one, two, three profiles. Sorry, only just two profiles. Does not have any link in the particular what do you say, just a second, I'll show you this one. Okay, so here this is the website link this particular profile has got, but whereas these two profiles does not have that link. Okay, or else they might be having it in a different place. So you can see that. So this here it has got several things here, and it didn't save it here. So maybe that might also be the reason. Okay, I'm getting clarity of what to save. Okay, so this does not have any intro. There's no profile link, or I mean the website link. So it didn't save any of that. So yeah, it can save intros. So as you can see, I've tested it. So these were, actually, that was the testing phase. So from here, you can see that it actually saves the intros, saves the name, profile link, and website link. So, and yesterday I was able to scrape all my Facebook friends list, wherein I have got the maximum 672 profiles. So previously I've saved somewhere around 515, and now I've got 672. So that's the end of the list. And whatever numbers that you're seeing on my Facebook profile, which is 700 plus, that's the count of followers. So that's the reason why it didn't save after 672. So yeah, the first step, saving all the friends profile links, is done. And the second step, saving the names and their intros and their website link, is also done, which I will not be doing it right away, because I also want to save the last published post along with name, intro, and the website link. So that's the reason why I'm not running this bot to save all 672 names, intros, and the website links as of now. Once I, you know, get this last published post selector, then I'll be able to finally launch this, and I'll be able to save all of these things, like, like name, intro, published post, and the website link. And apart from these things, I'm also planning to open each profile. Okay, so opening each profile, like, let me show you. This is just an example of a profile that I took. Okay, let me take another profile. Okay, so okay, Ravi is my friend, so he won't have an objection opening his profile. So okay. So what I wanted to do is, after saving all of these things, so it automatically opens the last published post, or the link, the profile link, and then it sees whether it has a last published post or not. I mean, you can set the date, if the date range, if you want to tell the bot key one day before, or the date has to be within just 1 week of whatever date that you have mentioned, then it goes and likes and then comments based on the post that they have published. That is the thing that I want to achieve with this bot. So let me know if that sounds cool to you. So yeah, first thing, these are the things that are there on my plate. So first, let me finish all of these things, and then I'm planning to open each and every profile and then like and then comment. Um, and also let me know if you also want to send a DM, like if you have not sent any DM, uh, to any of your friends, though they are lying in your friends list from maybe around from the past 1 year, 2 years, but you haven't followed with them yet. So you can check that as well if you have sent any first message to that particular profile. Um, yeah, let me stop sharing my screen. So yeah, so you can check if you have sent any message or not. There is any DM that's there inside of the messenger. If there is no DM conversations inside of that messenger, then you can send the first DM. So I'm not saying you have to automate the entire conversation. That's not possible, and I don't recommend doing that. So yeah, the that first DM, because that's very important, and it's very time consuming, and the real conversations happen only when you get a reply from the other person. So that's how you build conversations, that how you build relations. So yeah, sending that first DM or two DMs, maybe first and two DMs. I just want to automate that as well. So let me know if there is any need for that to be implemented in this particular bot, then I'll see what I can do. Or else I'm just planning to open the profiles, then like any last published post if it's there or not, and then comment based on the post that they have published. So let me know if you find this helpful, and whatever suggestions that you want to give me, you can share it in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me in. And if you're tuning in, just please tag or hashtag wherever you're tuning in from, and to let me know if you're watching it live.